Hi, I'm Laura Block, and this presentation is about CuddleCode, an emotional connection to STEM in young girls. According to the National Science Foundation, 19% of computer science and only 21% of engineering graduates were female in the year 2016. The gender disparity in STEM begins at a very young age. While many efforts to engage females in STEM focus on bringing girls into the stereotypically male STEM practices, I argue that efforts to increase female representation should instead focus on bringing STEM into girls' practices. Maker education is based on the constructionist theory that children can learn by engaging in the practice of making. Through epistemological pluralism, recognizing that there are many ways in which one can know or understand something. Recognizing the importance of emotional connections as ways to transition one's reasoning from concrete to more abstract thinking. And the integration of cultural contexts into the practice of making. These theories lay the groundwork for a path to inclusion in STEM. The types of objects that have the potential to bridge a child's physical knowledge of the world with more abstract reasoning are referred to as transitional objects. Children can connect emotionally to these objects, which have been described by Michael Eisenberg as collectible or huggable, or something that you give to your parents, or something that you miss when you take a trip and leave it at home, or furry, or a million other things. This study seeks to assess the potential of a powerful transitional object in engaging more females in STEM. In doing so, I pose the following 3 questions. Number 1, can incorporating maker experiences into feminine cultural contexts establish an emotional connection to technology in young girls? Number 2, does the establishment of such a connection to making increase their overall interest in and understanding of technology? And number 3, what types of support would help to facilitate the integration of these practices with maker experiences? To address these questions, I designed CuddleCode, a customizable and programmable stuffed animal for girls ages 6 to 10. CuddleCode consists of a main body with a variety of small parts attached to it. The stuffed animal's parts are representative of various body parts, each with its own sensor or actuator embedded within, such as a touch sensor or speaker. They may be programmed to interact using the block-based programming language MakeCode, or tucked away in the body's internal pouch when not in use. In order to address the study's research questions, 4 to 6 daughter-parent dyads will be invited to engage in brief research sessions. I posit that CuddleCode will provide an emotional connection due to its cuddleability and its recognizability as a crafts project not unlike those types of crafts that girls often engage with. Through this research, I hope to provide new insight into ways that STEM may be integrated into feminine practices. Thank you for listening to my presentation about CuddleCode. For more information, please visit cuddlecode.com or find me on social media or email. Thank you.